If you want to create a private event in the new Outlook, here's how to do it. First, open New Outlook and go to the calendar. Now, click on New Event to create a new calendar event. Enter the event details, such as the title, date, and time. To make the event private, look for the lock icon in the event window and click on it. Then, select Private. You can also enable Teams Meeting if you want to hold the event online. Once everything is set, click Save or Send to create the event. That's it. Your Outlook event is now marked as private, helping keep the event details hidden from other people who may have access to your calendar. If this quick tip was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful Outlook and Microsoft 365 tips.